Here is a recipe for beef and mushrooms with smashed potatoes. Ingredients: 1 pound beef sirloin steak, cut into bite-sized pieces. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 large onion, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup beef broth. 1 cup sliced mushrooms. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 2 tablespoons water. 4 to 5 large potatoes, peeled and cubed. 1/4 cup butter. 1/4 cup milk. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions: 1. Season the beef with salt and pepper. 2. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. 2. Add the beef and cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until browned on all sides. 2. Remove from the skillet and set aside. 3. In the same skillet, add the chopped onions and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until softened. 3. Add the minced garlic and cook for an additional minute. 4. Pour in the beef broth and scrape the bottom of the pan to release any browned bits. 5. Add the sliced mushrooms and Worcestershire sauce and bring the mixture to a simmer. 6. Return the beef to the skillet and continue to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until the sauce is thickened. 7. While the beef is cooking, boil the cubed potatoes in a separate pot until they are fork tender. 8. Drain the potatoes and add the butter and milk. 8. Use a potato masher or fork to mash the potatoes until they are smooth and creamy. 9. In a small bowl, mix together the cornstarch and water to make a slurry. 9. Add the slurry to the beef mixture and stir until the sauce is thickened. 10. Serve the beef and mushroom mixture over the smashed potatoes and garnish with chopped parsley. Enjoy your delicious beef and mushrooms with smashed potatoes.